I think we all kind of figured what was gonna happen with these Air Jordan 4 Red Cements. These things flew offline super quick, but we gotta talk about it. I don't think you should pay resale yet, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video. You guys already know, man, I love when you guys pull up to the videos. Come chop it up with your boy, The Vintage. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about and recapping the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements, man. Before we do, right now I need you to go ahead and go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like on today's video. It's always greatly appreciated. You guys show some love, show some support. We want to get this up to 400 likes. It's an Air Jordan 4, so let's go ahead and get up to 400 likes on today's video. I know we can do it. That's super easy for the Vintage Squad, man. All right, man, so here we have them, the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements. And like I said in the review and on feet, man, I kind of figured these things were gonna fly off the shelves just because the resale was still kind of high. So that makes people, you know what I'm saying, want to go out, pick up those confirmed pairs on FLX, pick up those pairs on the sneakers app, pick up them pairs from Jimmy Jazz, JD, Finish Line, everywhere, just so they can make a little bit of change. You know what I'm saying? The retail, I think, was $210. Let me go ahead and check real quick. They are completely gone on sneakers app. But I'm gonna go ahead and check the actual, you know what I'm saying, retail price of these. I didn't even enter, you know what I'm saying, your boy has his pair right here. But I want to leave that extra size 9.5 out there for one of those lucky people that really did want a man. So let me check the retail real quick. I think it was $210, bro. I think they raised it up to $200. Yes, $210 for the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements, which is already kind of hot. Like, we didn't get any extra laces. We didn't get anything special with the box. Well, I guess you can say it's pretty, you know, I guess you could say it's pretty different, you know what I'm saying? Ain't a regular Air Jordan 4 box, but I feel like the last couple Air Jordan 4s that have dropped kind of came in the same kind of color scheme as whatever sneaker did drop. Look back at the Thunders, look at the UNCs, and just look at the Red Cements. The box kind of does look similar, but are we paying an extra $10 for the box? We didn't get no laces, we didn't get nothing else, but we did get some nice quality on these Air Jordan 4s, I must say. I ain't gonna cap with you guys. I said it in the review on feet, the leather was really good, really plush, and I feel like just because it is an Air Jordan 4, they did sell out in pretty much every single site, everywhere in your local malls, but you will probably have an opportunity to pick these things up from, you know, Foot Locker, JD, all these other spots that didn't, you know what I'm saying, sell those confirmed pairs. They will start to let those unconfirmed pairs go to the general public. So that's always what I tell you guys, man, don't pay resale yet. Just give it a day or two, and even after that, give it another couple days, because when people do get their pairs off of, you know, sneakers, when they start shipping their pairs out, people are gonna try to flip them things quick, because not everybody is gonna love the sneaker when they do get them. There's been plenty of sneakers that I done bought prior to me doing YouTube. I said, really don't like them like that, and I end up taking them back. But now we're in a different time, different era, to where you can actually start flipping sneakers. And the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements is definitely something that's making some money, turning some heads, and it's gonna be some people out there that didn't have the fire reds. Like, I know a lot of people talk about the fire reds, but there's people out there that do not have the fire reds that really needed something similar to it, and they resorted to these Air Jordan 4 Red Cements, man. Man, I know y'all see the OutRank brand tee that goes perfect with these Air Jordan 4 Red Cements. You guys already know, man, I get you guys right with the apparel. Go check out OutRank brand ASAP Rocky. Use my discount code, The Vintage. Save you 10% off your order. And just look at the tee, bro. The tee goes perfect. I'm talking about perfect with these Red Cement things. You guys, like I said, go check them out. I'm gonna link them down below in the description box. Use that code, The Vintage. Save you 10% off, man. I can't believe I got this far in today's video without asking you guys, man, who all hit on a pair of Air Jordan 4 Red Cements? Like I said, these things flew off the shelves. They flew off of sneakers, but who all got lucky? Who all snagged a pair off of Nike? Very interested in knowing, man. There's probably some people out there that already paid resale for them. I got one person that comes to the video that's always like, bro, I took an L on sneakers. I just went straight to go and cop them. So if you did cop them on Goat, StockX, or anything like that, please let me know down below in the comment section, ASAP Rocky. I know I kind of did downplay the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements for a little bit. Like, it's been about 3-4 weeks since I have seen these things in hand. And I honestly don't think it's a terrible sneaker, but I think I make pretty consistent saying it ain't a terrible sneaker. I just didn't really need it. It's actually a dope sneaker. So say for instance, I didn't have the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, I'll be all over these Air Jordan 4 Red Cements. Hence, like when I talked about the Palomino ones, like I didn't have the mochas, so the Palominos was the next best thing. And I honestly think that the Palomino is a little bit better than the mochas. So there's probably some people out there that think these Red Cements is better than the Fire Reds, which is kind of crazy. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be some people in the comments. Read those comments, bro. The comments are very interesting. You will definitely see a different perspective from people down below in the comment section. Because it's gonna be somebody say, bro, I like these way better than the Fire Reds, which is kind of crazy to most OGs, but hey, it is what it is. New generation, new day and age. A lot of people didn't have the money to buy the Fire Red 4s when they did retro back in 2019, I believe, or 2018. So they resorted to the Red Cement things. But like I said, man, do not pay resale yet. Give it a couple of days. Wait for those unconfirmed pairs to get, put out to the general public. And then after that, wait a couple more days for people to start getting their pairs shipped in from different, spots like Foot Locker, Champs, and all that good stuff. Because they're going to try to flip these things and let them go for the low. So they're going to be going for the low ski for the first couple of weeks. And then after that, I definitely think that the resale will rise on this Air Jordan 4 just because it is a red, white, and black predominantly sneaker. And people love that colorway. And also people love Air Jordan 4s in general, man. So yeah, man, let me know down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair. Very interested in knowing. Your boy has this pair, might give them away, might sell them. I don't know what I'm doing with them because I honestly don't need them because guess what I have? I have the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. You guys already knew that. I love them. Only thing I keep knocking about the Fire Reds is the quality, bruh. It was trash. If you guys did not know, I am running a giveaway for the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude DMPs. I will leave the rules down below in the description box so you guys can go tap in. Very simple. Win your free pair of sneakers, one lucky winner. We'll be going live on YouTube to actually give that pair away so you guys know it ain't like a fake giveaway. It's a real giveaway. Giving back to my supporters. I appreciate all the support you guys do show. So this is just a little small token of gratitude to you guys. Hey, no pun intended. Subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop. Leave a huge like on today's video. Like I always say, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. All this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Don't pay resale yet for the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements. Give it a couple days. Wait for that resale to drop a little bit more. You might get a pair for retail if you go to your local malls, man. And yeah, all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.